Guys, stop being fired. Watch crossfire, guys.
1 second. This is a warning for taillights. 6 hours later, it is a hostage crisis shutting down the road to an airport.
I have control. Assault.
August 2nd, 2023, at 1 in the morning in London, Ohio. A police sergeant spots a minivan running with no taillights and pulls it over. The couple inside tell him their names are Ronald and Barbara Taylor. They have no identification on them and no social security numbers they can remember. A cute dog with them. He has no way of knowing the two people in this van are wanted on felony warrants and that the moment he starts walking back to his cruiser, they'll be gone.
Hi, puppy. It's okay.
Hi.
Hello.
Hi.
Sergeant Norwood, London Police. The reason I stopped you, have zero taillights in the back of this thing at all.
Oh my God.
There's not a light on it.
We just came from the
I just came from the ER.
Okay.
I poked myself in the eye.
Oh
with the
gosh.
scissors and,
Your brake lights work when you hit your brakes though, so
Okay.
that is a plus. So your flasher should probably work to get you home.
Okay.
Do you have an ID? And then I gotta get the temporary plate off the back. I didn't see
I
it.
sure don't.
You don't have an ID?
No, I sure don't. I don't have anything on me.
I can check you by your. Do you know your social?
I'm
You
not reaching for anything. I don't have anything.
It's fine. You don't know your social?
No, I sure don't.
Where's home for you guys? Where you guys headed to?
Well, we were going back to the truck stop because we were traveling in town. We were seeing my boys and stuff were
Shut up.
in town with that. Actually, what happened was somebody stole her purse. My wallet was in her purse.
Yeah.
And it's never happened before.
30 years of marriage.
Yeah, the first time I stuck my wallet in her purse, somebody took the purse out, and we could not find it. And my Social Security, my license, everything was in that.
Wow.
And,
Is the van registered to you, or who owns the van?
the van is still in process. I mean, it's still 30 days, so nothing's came back as far as registration or anything like that.
Right. So to get the 30-day, you'd have to have the title and the signed, right?
Right.
So you have that with you? Like, who's it titled? Who are they titling it to?
I don't have anything yet, as of yet. They haven't gave me anything.
But for you to get it, you had to go to the BMV and say, "Here's my title. I signed it. I'm buying it.
Right.
I need 45-day tags."
Do we have that in the glove box? Or?
I think so.
Okay.
Yes, okay. Stop.
Stop, Chuck.
It's okay, Bobby.
It's okay, buddy. He's just a puppy.
Yeah, he's excited.
Settle down.
So, what's your name, sir?
My name's Ronald.
Ronald? And then what would be your last address on your ID?
Oh my gosh. Stop.
5, Jessica.
No, I'm okay.
Stop, Chuck. What was that,
It
man?
was the Somerset.
101.
I think it was. It's
1422.
Smith Hollow, Somerset, Kentucky.
Settle down.
So, is your ID out of Kentucky, or is it Ohio ID?
It was Kentucky.
It'd be a K. Okay.
Yes.
Settle down.
Stop.
Man, what's your name?
Barbara.
Barbara?
Yeah. Taylor.
What's your date of birth, Barbara?
May.
Yep.
19th. 72.
And then same address somewhere in Summerford,
Yep.
Kentucky?
Yep.
Okay, give me 1 second. I'll be right back, okay? You can roll your window up and take your... Fuck's that about, dude? 5, they're taking off. It's Colorado, signal 7, temporary. They're taking off. Head northbound Lafayette.
You're clear.
No lights while driving 80 miles an hour. The van is not stopping. And where it's headed, there's a truck stop full of people.
Got no taillights. It's got no taillights. on 42, just past old 42. Speed's 81, no traffic. Looks like we're getting on 40. Disregard stayed on 42.
Are you eastbound or westbound?
We're northbound 42 still, northbound 42. Past a semi on the bridge.
I'd be patched with LPD.
We're on 42, getting ready to be at the truck stop. He's on the wrong side of the road. He does have headlights. He just doesn't have tail lights. It was a Colorado Signal 7. I never got it off of it before he took off. Dispatch, if you look up a Ronald Taylor is what his name was, and her name was another. Speed's 55. We're passing Speedway now.
So, Speed Chopper, we're going to head your way.
The van pulls into the TA Travel Center on Route 42, and the couple runs. An officer closes in with a taser. The man falls and comes up pointing a handgun. He doesn't fire. But 50 feet away sits an unlocked semi, and inside it, a truck driver who has no idea he is about to become the center of this entire night.
You better stop! You better stop! Stay. Show me your hands now! I'm gonna tase you. You're gonna get tased. Gun! Gun or something. He got his drop it right now. He's got something in his hand. It might be a gun. He's got a gun in his hand. Drop the gun! Drop the gun! Drop the gun! He's got a gun! He's got a gun! Get on the ground! Put it down! He's got a gun! We're in the TA parking lot. White male, no pants on. Heading towards semis, heading towards 70 by the water tower. He's going right to that semi right there, Wes. Hey, they're getting in a semi right now over here.
Semi right straight ahead.
Taking off semi.
Hey, watch it, they're going to turn signal.
They're trying to take off in a semi, male and female. Right there, back up, back up, back up. He's got a gun right there, good.
Go inside TA, make it fast.
Yeah, I pulled a gun.
Go inside TA.
I don't know if we had a truck driver inside or not. They're still trying to steal it. They're revving it up. All right, looks like he just got air brakes off.
One or semi.
Fuck. A small code 40.
There's a guy and there's 3 people in it now.
Looks like we have a truck driver that is also in the cab with it. I think so. He's got his...
He does have a gun in there.
Five dispatch, you had a chance to get unit 1 on the line. So it is the male. He's got a white shirt on, and it's going to be a female also with him. They both ran into that semi together.
Inside the cab, the man shoots the driver through the right hand, and the semi pulls out with a hostage on board, clipping a police cruiser on the way. Dispatch now has a different kind of pursuit. Every move they make has to keep one man alive first.
Put your hands up. Let's end this peacefully. We do not want to harm you. Is anybody in the driver's seat? All the windows are up right now. We can't see through the glass.
You have binoculars? I don't have any in this car. Dude.
We're moving.
All right, it's moving. It's
Trouble
moving.
got eyes on it. It's moving. He ran right over your stick.
Oh, he's gonna hit our car. Nope.
Crossfire, crossfire. Damn it.
Oh, he's gonna hit our car. Nope.
Crossfire, crossfire. Damn it.
Right, Chopper's got the traffic. He's going to take a turn on to 42 here. Boston over 70. He's still northbound on 42. He's passing the ignition. We have one unit behind it. And the cruisers behind us start flanking the other roads. We'll keep you advised. It's like a city know we're coming in. Taking a right turn on Billeryville. We're coming up to Goodson. There's no traffic coming around the curve right now. The units have met the road out there. Get your spikes ready. He's coming right at you. Hey, when he approaches your guys' cruisers, watch yourself. He rammed the one already. Still on Goodson eastbound, about 45, 50 miles an hour. He's speeding up a little bit. It's about 55 miles an hour, guys. Going over 70, still on Taylor Blair. Taylor Blair coming up to 40. It's going to be a right turn to head west. What do you think about letting Chopper track here and getting some units back off? That's fine. Because we can find out who's the hostage in this truck through the company and whether they have GPS tracking. He slowed way down. He's still westbound, creeping along. He's still full stop at middle of 40, facing westbound. His front tires are pretty much out. He's leaving rubber all over the road. We're rolling in westbound on 40. He's speed back up. He is now westbound and eastbound. The officer coming eastbound, he'll be head on with you about a half mile. Watch yourself.
Stop sticks take the tires apart. The truck keeps rolling anyway.
Eastbound on 70. Unless we get somebody up in front with sticks. Going northbound on 72. 72 coming up to level.
What did you get me into?
He hit my cruiser.
Another one?
Yeah.
We may be coming to a stop here, or he's going to flip back around. Back south on 72. Back south on 72. That's why he's changed directions on this. He could be listening on the scanner after we gripped. He slipped around both times right when I set up in front of it.
Another successful set of sticks there. He took that one with him, but I think they fell off the back. They went under most of the tires. Still in the center lane. He's crossing under Troy Pike.
All the stop sticks are on the left shoulder.
Losing a bunch of tire debris. Watch yourself. It's going straight back toward the cruisers.
Right flag, left way now. Just so you get us know, we do not have a front way. Stop. Center lane. He is not exiting right now. We're stopping in the center lane.
Just before 3:30 in the morning, the semi stops on the access road to Dayton International Airport. For the next 4 hours, this road becomes a negotiation. Hostage teams on cell phones, notes pressed against the window, and in the middle of it, a request for Mountain Dew and a box of Marlboros.
He's cracking the driver's side door. Looks like he shut it. He's still sitting in the center lane. Both doors and windows are still closed.
Once I get probably 2 more SRT, we're going to go parallel with the truck and just try to visually make contact. Chopper, how much flight time you have left? About an hour and 15.
Oh, an hour and 15, so he's got some time. I don't know why they don't just put a slug through the radiator. That would shut the truck down right away.
He's communicating with us through the window, kind of chicken scratch writing on some notes. He's asking for green, cold Mountain Dews and cigarettes. If we're able to get some Mountain Dews and some cigarettes, there's a chance you might let them get on the other side. Do you want to get a negotiator? Yes, please.
Somebody can get him some Mountain Dews and a pack of cigarettes. I got cigarettes in the car. Okay, perfect.
He advised on the phone that he's not going to really talk or do anything until he gets those items. So just let me know when they're here and we can go from there. He's hung up on me a couple times.
The special response team makes the call. They are going in for the hostage.
I have control. Assault, assault, assault.
Let me see your hands! Hands! Let me see your hands! Where are your hands? Let me see your hands! I can't see it. Can't see our suspect. Let me see your hands. Everybody, let me see your hands. Let me see your hands. You got a gun. Just pointed at me.
Show me your hands! Doug, do you have anything? Nothing? All right,
Got a shot being fired. Watch your crossfire, guys.
Back up! Hey! Hold!
Both hands up in the air, empty-handed. Rodney, I see one hand. Put both hands on your head, I only see one hand.
The driver came out through the gunfire with his hands up. He was treated for the wound to his hand and released the same day. Rodney and Elaine Hellman, a married couple wanted on drug and theft warrants, both died at Miami Valley Hospital that morning. The Ohio Bureau of Criminal Investigation took the case, and in February of 2024, a grand jury ruled the troopers acted lawfully. No charges were filed, 6 hours, 1 traffic stop, and the only person who walked away from that truck was the one who never chose to be in it.